Okay, students, we shall start the sixth chapter, The Haunted House. So, what is meant by haunted house? So, the house which is not used by the people and which is vacant, which is empty, and which is filled with all kinds of bad and evil spirits, that is called as haunted house. అంటే మనం తెలుగులో ఏం చెప్తాం, దయ్యాల కొంప అంటాం. సో దయ్యాల కొంప అంటే అక్కడ దయ్యాలే ఉండాలి అని ఏం లేదు, బట్ ఇట్ ఈస్ అన్యూజ్డ్ బై ద పీపుల్. అందుకనే మనకు ఒక సామెత కూడా ఉంది, ఏమని, అన్ ఐడిల్ మైండ్ ఈస్ అ డెవిల్స్ వర్క్ షాప్. ఐడిల్ అంటే ఖాళీగా. సో వెనెవర్ మనకు కూడా ఏమి ఆలోచనలు లేకుండా, మనము బిజీగా లేకుండా ఖాళీగా కూర్చొని ఉంటే, ఈవెన్ వీ విల్ గెట్ ఆల్ కైండ్స్ ఆఫ్ బ్యాడ్ థింగ్స్ ఆర్ బ్యాడ్ థాట్స్ ఇన్ అవర్ మైండ్. అందుకే ఏం చెప్తారు పెద్దవాళ్ళు, మనం అయినంత బిజీగా ఉండాలి, మనం ఖాళీగా బేకార్గా ఉండకూడదు. వీ హ్యావ్ టు బీ మేక్ బిజీ అండ్ వీ హ్యావ్ టు డూ సమ్ వర్క్ అండ్ దెన్ ఓన్లీ వీ ఆర్ వెరీ హ్యాపీ. అండ్ దెన్ దెర్ ఈస్ నో చాయిస్ ఫర్ ఘోస్ట్. ఇక్కడ ఘోస్ట్ అంటే ఏమి అంటే మీలో వచ్చే చెడ్డ ఆలోచనలు, దాన్ని మనం దయ్యాలుగా, అంటే మనకు వచ్చే భయాలని దయ్యాలుగా చిత్రీకరిస్తారు. సో వీ హ్యావ్ టు బీ ఫ్రీ ఫ్రమ్ ఆల్ దీస్ థింగ్స్. అంటే వీ షుడ్ నెవర్ బీ ఐడిల్ ఇన్ అవర్ లైఫ్. సో సామెత ఏమి, అన్ ఐడిల్ మైండ్ ఈస్ ఎ డెవిల్స్ వర్క్షాప్. డెవిల్ అంటే దయ్యాలు. సో ఇన్ దిస్ లెసన్ we will know what is the connection between Tom, Huck and the haunted house and why they are going into the haunted house. Every young boy wants to find a treasure, and Tom did too. One hot summer, he told Huck about his idea. Where can we look for a treasure? Asked Huck happily. Robbers put treasures under old trees or in old houses. We can start digging under the tree on Cardiff Hill. Come on, let's go. The boys went to the Cardiff Hill and started digging. It was a hot day and they dug for few hours. There's nothing under this tree, said Huck. I am hot and tired, said Tom. Let's go to the haunted house. Nobody lives there. But haunted houses have ghosts, said Huck. Ghosts come out only at night. It's daytime now, said Tom. Well, all right, said Huck. They went to the haunted house. It was an old place. There was silence all around. They were both afraid of this strange place. Okay, student. Every young boy wants to find a treasure. So the boys who are in the teenage, they want to do some thrilling works which gives them happiness. So here these two wanted to find a treasure. And Tom also is a boy, so he also wanted to find a treasure. Treasure means sampada. అంటే ద థింగ్స్ విచ్ ఆర్ బీయింగ్, అంటే మా పూర్వీకుల నుంచి వచ్చిన సంపదని ఎవరో భూమిలో పాతి పెట్టింటారు. ఆర్ సమ్ రాబర్స్ ఆర్ థీవ్స్ వుడ్ హ్యావ్ స్నాచ్డ్ ఇట్ ఫ్రమ్ సమ్ అదర్ పీపుల్ అండ్ దే హ్యావ్ పుట్ ఇట్ ఇన్ సమ్ ప్లేసెస్. సో టు టేక్ దీస్ థింగ్స్, ఇట్ ఈస్ కాల్డ్ యాజ్ ఫైండింగ్ ద treasure. So one hot day Tom told the idea about of going or getting a treasure to Huck. So where can we look for a treasure? Asked Huck happily. So Huck also wanted to have some adventure or thrilling experience. So he asked Tom, where can we find the treasure? Robbers usually put the treasure under old trees in old houses. So he told, thieves will put the treasure in old trees or in old houses. Old trees అంటే ఎక్కడో అడవిలో ఉన్న చెట్టు త్వరలో పెడతారనేది మనం చాలా వరకు చదువుకుంటాం. సో అట్లాంటి ఒక త్వరలో, ఆ చెట్టు వృక్ష త్వరలో ఉండే దాన్ని అక్కడ పెడతారు. లేదంటే ఇన్ ఓల్డ్ హౌసెస్, దే విల్ పుట్ ఇన్ సమ్ ఓల్డ్ హౌసెస్ విచ్ హ్యాస్ బీన్ నాట్ యూస్డ్ బై పీపుల్. సో దట్ ఈస్ ద థింగ్ కాల్డ్ haunted houses. We can start digging under the old tree on Cardiff Hill. So they went to one hill called Cardiff Hill. ఒక గుట్ట పైన పోతారు, దాని పేరు కార్డిఫ్ అని. సో ఆ కార్డిఫ్ హిల్ పైన పోయి దే స్టార్టెడ్ డిగ్గింగ్ ద ఓల్డ్ ట్రీ. దే టేక్ ద యాక్సెస్, pickaxes and spade, whatever they want which is used for digging, and they started digging on that Cardiff Hill near the old tree. Come on, let's go. The boys went to Cardiff Hill and started digging. It was a hot day and they dug for few hours. It was a very hot day. The sun was very bright and shining and they worked for few hours. They dug the ground for few hours. Digging ante tavvadam. So they did this for few hours and there was nothing under this tree, said Huck. Huck and Tom were both tired and Huck told Tom, there is nothing under this tree. I am hot and tired, said Tom. Even Tom told, yes, even I am very hot. I am feeling very hot because of the climate and I am also very tired. Let's go to the haunted house. Nobody lives there. So next, Tom told, I think the robbers have not put anything under this tree. So next is our old house or the haunted house. We'll go there and nobody lives there because nobody is there. So we are sure of getting the treasure in that house. But haunted house have ghosts, said Huck. But Huck was very afraid and he told, no, Tom, no, we will not go because haunted house have ghosts. And I have a very bad experience with ghosts because we have studied in the earlier chapters that they went to the graveyard to see a ghost. And what happened? Later on, they saw Dr. Robinson being murdered by Injunjo. But Muff Potter was kept as the accused and he was about to give the punishment. They were about to give the punishment for Muff Potter, but everything happened so quickly and now he is released. So he told, no, I won't go with the ghost because I had a very bad experience. But Tom says, ghosts only come out at night. It's daytime now. Hey, Huck, ghost comes only at night, but it is daytime. The ghost won't come now. Well, all right, said Huck. Huck also thought for some time and he told, okay. They went to the haunted house. It was an old, lonely place. They went to the haunted house. It was an old and a lonely place. It was a single house. There was nothing beside the house. So it was very scary. Scary ante భయపడేటట్టు. Because there was silence all around. ఆ ఇంటి చుట్టూ నిండా ఉత్త ఖాళీ స్థలము. గాలి వీస్తున్నప్పుడు భోర్మని సౌండ్ వస్తుంది. So it was very silent and they were afraid of that sound. They were both afraid of this strange place. It's a strange place for them. It's a new place for them because all the people will always live together. And ఒక ఊర్లో అయితే ఏమవుతుంది, అన్ని ఇల్లు పక్క పక్కన ఉంటుంది, అందరూ తిరుగుతూ ఉంటారు. But this is a haunted house, so there was no people, nobody lives there. It is a single house and therefore they were afraid and they were thinking whether to go inside the house or not. They entered quietly and looked around. Everything was old and broken. No one lived here. They looked in all rooms downstairs and upstairs, but there was no treasure and there were no ghosts. Tom and Huck were upstairs. Shh, said Tom. What's it? Do you hear ghosts? Whispered Huck. No, don't move, said Tom. Let's sit down on the floor. There were holes in the floor and they could see the room downstairs. Oh no, whispered Tom. There are two men downstairs. One was an old Spanish man with a long white hair and a big hat, and the other was small and wore dirty clothes. Let's listen to them, whispered Tom. The two men sat on the floor. It was hot in there. I am tired, said the Spanish old man. So they entered quietly into the house and looked around the haunted house. Everything was old and broken. Everything was unused. So it was broken and it was old. It was in a dilapidated condition. Ante పడిపోయేటట్లు ఆ ఇల్లు ఉన్న ఫర్నిచర్ కావచ్చు, ఆ ఇల్లు కావచ్చు, కొంత భాగం పడిపోయి ఉంటుంది. దట్ ఈస్ కాల్డ్ డైలాపిటేటెడ్ కండిషన్. సో ఇక్కడ ఎవ్రీథింగ్ వాజ్ ఓల్డ్ అండ్ బ్రోకన్ అండ్ నో వన్ లివ్డ్ హియర్. బికాస్ నో వన్ లివ్డ్ హియర్, they looked in all rooms downstairs and upstairs. They walked from one room to another. It is a two-story building. Two-story means rendu antastula kattadam. So the downstairs and upstairs. But there was no treasure and there were no ghosts. But they did not find any treasure and they did not find any ghost also. They were very happy. Tom and Huck were upstairs. So they were walking upstairs. Shh, said Tom suddenly. So Tom told Huck, he signaled him to be quiet. What is it, Tom? Do you hear ghosts? So Huck was very, very afraid and he told Tom, do you hear any ghost? No, don't move, said Tom. Tom told, no, Huck, don't move. Let's sit down on the floor. Let us sit down on the floor. There were holes in the floor and they could see the rooms downstairs. So in the upstairs, on the floor, there were so many holes were formed. From the small holes, they could see in the downstairs. And what did they see? They saw two men on the downstairs. One was an old Spanish man with a long white hair and a big hat, and the other was a small and wore dirty clothes. They saw two men there. One was a Spanish man with white hair and a big hat, and other man was a very small man, but he wore very dirty clothes. Let's listen to them, whispered Tom. So Tom just make Huck to sit quiet. Let's listen what they are talking about. The two men sat on the floor. It's hot in here and I'm tired, said the old Spanish man. So the old man told the other man, it is very hot here. I'm very tired. When the boys heard his voice, they were very terrified. That's Injun Joe, whispered Huck. The boys' faces became white. What are we going to do with the $600 in silver coins? That was a very good robbery, said the small dirty man. Let's take about some dollars with us now and hide the bag here. We can come back and get it too soon, said Injun Joe. The small dirty man moved a stone in the fireplace and pulled out a bag. He took some money from the bag. Injun Joe started digging near the fireplace with his knife. Tom and Huck watched with excitement. There was a real treasure downstairs. $600 was a wonderful treasure for two young boys. Suddenly, Injun Joe stopped digging. There's something here. I think it's a box, he said. He found a old box and opened it. When the boys heard the voice about this old Spanish man, it's hot in here and I'm tired, they identified this man and they were very, very terrified. They were very afraid because that was Injun Joe. The boys' faces became white. They were very afraid and their faces became pale. The faces became white in color. What are we going to do with the $600 in silver coins? The two people downstairs, they are conversing, they are talking, and one person is asking the other person, what are we going to do with the $600? They have robbed $600. ఎక్కడి నుంచో $600 దొంగతనం చేసుకుని వచ్చినారు. That was a very good robbery, said the small dirty man. So the other man told, yes, that was a very good robbery we had robbed and it is $600 now, but we will take about some dollars with us now and hide the bag here. So he's telling, we will not take the whole bag now because we will wait and see if there is any problem, we'll keep it here. So we'll take only some few coins with us for our use and keep the bag here. We can come back and to get it soon. So we will hide the bag here. We will keep the bag in safety here until and later on we can come and get the bag. The small dirty man moved a big stone in the fireplace and pulled out a bag. So, ఆ ఇంట్లో ఫైర్ ప్లేస్ అని ఉంటుంది. ఫైర్ ప్లేస్ అంటే ఎప్పుడైతే మనకి చలికాలంలో చలి కాచుకునే అదన్నీ వేసుకుంటాం కదా, కట్లు అన్ని వేసుకునేది, దట్ ఈస్ కాల్డ్ యాజ్ ఫైర్ ప్లేస్. ఇన్ కోల్డ్ కంట్రీస్ ఇట్ ఈస్ అ మస్ట్ ఇన్ ఎవ్రీ హౌస్. So there is a fireplace. He removed one stone from the fireplace and pulled out a bag. They had hidden the bag in the fireplace. Nobody will get any kind of doubt because fireplace is a place where nobody will see until you have the fire over there. So ఆ fireplace లో దాన్ని సేఫ్ గా పెట్టేసింటారు. కొంచెం స్టోన్స్ అన్ని తీసి రాళ్ళు తీసి అక్కడ పాతి పెట్టేసింటారు. Now they will pull out the bag. He took some money from the bag and Injun Joe started digging near the fireplace with his knife. And Injun Joe also started digging to keep the bag safety in the fireplace. He started digging the place with his knife. Tom and Huck watched with excitement. Tom and Huck were very, very happy because they did not know that they are going to find a real treasure like this. And that too, they are who is that? Injunjo is a very bad person. He had robbed from somebody else and now he is keeping. So taking the money from this Injunjo is not at all a bad thing, because it can be used by these two people, or Tom and Huck, in a very good way. And Injunjo, cheating on Injunjo is not a big issue because he himself is a cheater. So $600 was a wonderful treasure for two young boys. It is a lot amount for two young boys, because $100 itself is a big amount. Now they are having $600. Suddenly, Injunjo stopped digging. So Injunjo was digging something, and suddenly he also stopped digging. And he told, there's something here. I think it's a box. He also told the other person, ఏదో అడ్డు వస్తా ఉంది, I cannot dig. There is something which is not giving me to go down. అని చూస్తే మళ్ళీ ఇట్లా కొంచెము డగ్ చేసి తవ్వి చూస్తే he saw, and he told, it's an old box. And he found a old box and opened it. సో అక్కడ ఒక ఓల్డ్ బాక్స్ కనిపిస్తుంది. దాన్ని వాడు బయటికి తీసి he opened the box. He was shocked to see the contents of the box. It's money, cried Injunju. Look, there's lots of gold coins. The two men looked at the coins and smiled. The box was full of gold coins, and the two men looked at the coins and smiled. Even Tom and Huck smiled too. This is the treasure of old Murrell family. Now it's us, said Injunjo. Where can we hide this gold? Asked the small man. Can we put it back under the stone? Yes, said Injunjo. No, the stone isn't a good place. Someone may find it. Let's put under the cross tonight. When it's dark outside, the two men took the silver and gold away. Tom and Huck did not follow them because they were afraid of Injunjo, but they wanted to find the cross and the treasure. Where was the cross? So, what was in the box? And it was money inside the box. And it was full of gold coins. Earlier, they had robbed silver coins, but this box contained lots and lots of gold coins. The whole box was full of gold coins. So the two men was very, very happy because the box was containing full of gold coins. And even Tom and Huck also smiled because the two men did not know that Tom and Huck are seeing everything from upstairs. And Tom and Huck also felt very happy because 600 silver coins was a great treasure, but finding the gold coins was still a greater treasure. So ఒక్క రోజులోనే they had only one adventure and they could find this treasure and everything would be theirs now. And whom this treasure belonged? The treasure belonged to one Murrell family. So this treasure was not belonged to, they did not, the treasure belonged to old Murrell family. There was one family called Murrell family, which was now not in that place, St. Petersburg. So that Murrell family's house is this haunted house. So all the people have left because of some reason or the other, and they have put the treasure in the fireplace. So this whole box of coins belonged to Murrell family, and now it's ours, said Injunjo very happily. Where can we hide this gold? Asked the small man. So the small man asked, shall we hide the gold here itself in the fireplace? Can we put it back under the stone? At first Injunjo said yes, but he said, no, the stone is not a very good place to put such a big treasure, because someone may come here, find the treasure and take it away. So we will put it under the cross tonight. Cross ante the Shiluva, where the church or the Christians pray, the cross is there. Somewhere they have found out the cross, so they are telling that they will take the money, all this treasure, and go and put it under the cross. A cross దగ్గర తవ్వేసి ఆ క్రాస్ దగ్గర వేసేస్తాము, బికాస్ క్రాస్ అంటే వాళ్ళకి కూడా దేవుడితో సమానము. they will give respect to that. They will not dig it. So that is why it will be a safe place for the treasure to be there. So they were very happy and they slept there itself. And even Tom and Huck, they did not want to go out when these two people are there. So they were also waiting for them to go. So these two people, when it became dark outside, these two men took the silver and gold away. And so ఆ బ్యాగ్లో ఉన్న సిల్వర్ కాయిన్స్, ఈ బాక్స్లో ఉన్న గోల్డ్ కాయిన్స్ రెండు తీసుకొని ఆఫ్టర్ నైట్ అట్ ద నైట్ టైమ్ దే వెంట్ అవే. But Tom and Huck wanted to follow to see where is the cross and where they are putting the treasure. But both were afraid because of Injunjo, because they had a bad experience with Injunjo killing Dr. Robinson at the graveyard. సో వీళ్ళు వస్తున్నారని తెలిస్తే వాడు ఎంతకైనా చంపేస్తాడని భయంతో దే డిడ్ నాట్ గో ఆర్ దే డిడ్ నాట్ ఫాలో Injunjo and other person. But they wanted to know where is the cross and where is the treasure. That is the thing which have been being running in the thoughts of Tom and Huck. They wanted to search for the cross. So they thought tomorrow early morning they will come and find out the cross from. అంటే ఆ క్రాస్ ఇట్ విల్ బి నాట్ ఫార్ అవే ఫ్రమ్ దిస్ హాంటెడ్ హౌస్. ఇలాంటి ఒక సీక్రెట్ ప్లేస్లోనే, లోన్లీ ప్లేస్లోనే ఆ క్రాస్ కూడా ఉంటుంది. జనాల మధ్యలో ఇలాంటివి ఉండదు. సో దే వాంటెడ్ టు కమ్ ద నెక్స్ట్ డే మార్నింగ్ టు సెర్చ్ ఫర్ దిస్ క్రాస్. థ్యాంక్ యూ.